create a really clear mission. A clear mission is a commercial plan for your business. What is the outcome you perceive that you want to have in 3 to 5 years from now? A mission is the steps that you build the plan from. If you don't have a clear mission of what you want the outcome to be, you'll never get to the destination. Take JF Kennedy planning to send a man on the moon in 1961. They wanted to do it within the decade. The mission was to put a man on the moon. The steps were then the strategic plan to achieve that mission. So be very clear on what you want your commercial mission to be. Get really clear on numbers and what you want life to look like. Be clear on that, build your mission, and then create a strategic plan to reverse engineer that. And that, I guarantee you, will set you on a pathway to achieving your goal.